Ivana, one of the teachers of Lia Pengadegan, and with this video I would like to share to you about some tourism attractions in Jakarta. As the capital city of Indonesia, of course, Jakarta has so many tourism attractions. You name it. You want to have some fun or you want to go to historical places? Well, you can find it here. In this video, I would like to highlight only two places. First, I would like to talk about the Jakarta Old Town area, which is known as Jakarta Kota Lama, and the other one, the biggest zoo in Indonesia, everybody knows, Ragunan Zoo. Check them out after this. As you can see at my back, this is what we call Jembatan Kota Intan. This bridge is the oldest bridge in Indonesia. So it was built in 1628 by Dutch government, especially the VOC, and then it is located in Kali Besar area, Jakarta. Now I'm in front of the Jakarta Kota train station. Jakarta Kota train station is one of the building in the Jakarta Old Town area, which is now protected by the government of Indonesia, and it still serves as the main train station for all commuter lines in Jakarta. Alright, now I'm inside the Jakarta Kota train station, which serves as the main station along with Gambir Station and Senen Station. This station has 12 tracks and has 6 platforms, and then each platform is supported by a canopy like this, as you can see, and then the canopy is supported by this kind of steel block. As the main station and the biggest station for all the commuter line trains, this station is very complete with so many restaurants, and as you can see, and also some mini markets. And this station opens every day from 5:30 in the morning until 11:30 at night. Jakarta Kota Station is a 2-story station surrounded by streets on 3 sides with 1 main entrance and 2 side entrances. The main entrance and hall are characterized by a barrel vault roof with openings horizontally composed with the top dominated by vertical units. Inside, the wall of the hall is finished with rough textured brown ceramic, and the outside wall at the bottom of the whole building was covered with green yellowish plaster. The station floor uses yellow thick and grey wood, and for the platform floor, yellow ruffle thick wood is used. If you want to go around Jakarta, you can take this kind of bus. So it's a double-decker bus, and this is the first stop that you can take, the Old Town stop. So finally, I'm at the heart of Jakarta Old Town, or we call it Kota Tua, Kawasan Kota Tua, which is famous for its historical buildings and sites. And you can see, as you can see at my back, so this is famous Fathahillah Museum. Let's check them out. And now this is the oldest building that we have in this Jakarta Old Town. It is called Jakarta Historical Museum or Museum Sejarah Jakarta, or many people know this building as the Fathahillah Museum. It is built in 1710 and functioned earlier as the Jakarta City Hall. If you want to go to this museum and to go to this kind of Jakarta Old Town area, you have two options actually. You can go by the train and then you stop at the Jakarta Kota train station, or if you want to take the bus, you can take the Transjakarta bus Corridor 1 and then you stop at the Jakarta Kota bus shelter. From the bus shelter or from the train station, you can just walk to this area, probably around 500 meters. This building is still functions as a post office, which we can see later on. Some of the areas inside the post office building are now functioned mostly as restaurants. As you can see, we have a fast food restaurant here, and then we also have another coffee shop here. We have a coffee shop here, and then on the second floor, this is quite new. If you wanna do something fun, then you can go to Illusion Street Art Place, which is located on the second floor of this building. Come on, I'll show you the real post office. If you want to buy souvenirs from Jakarta, then you can also buy them here. Hurrah! And this is the post office, which still functions as it is up to now. Another interesting thing in this Fathahillah Square is, as you can see, we have many pigeons. And then you are also allowed to give corn to them and they will come to you. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the map of the Ragunan Zoo. It has 140 hectares of land, and then it is located at Pasar Minggu area, in Pasar Minggu area, South Jakarta. And then it has an aviary, and then there is also a primate center, and then there are 450 employees working here. And then some of the animals are already endangered and then threatened from all over parts of Indonesia. And do you know how many animals that Ragunan Zoo has? You won't believe it, because Ragunan Zoo has 3,122 animals, including birds. You can have birds and then leopard, hippopotamus, pelican, and then elephants, and then we have Asian elephants, and then zebras, tapir, and then komodo, kangaroo, and many more. We will come to them one by one after this. Well, the zoo, as you can see, that there are many people coming here because it is very accessible from all over parts of Jakarta and also some small cities around Jakarta. It can be accessed from Jakarta Outer Ring Road, and if you choose to take a bus, you can take Transjakarta Corridor 6. Now our first stop is King. As you can see, there are so many pelicans. These pelicans are from Australia. You can see they can reproduce when they are only 2 to 3 years old. The eggs has white color, and the incubation period is like 32 to 35 days. They eat fish, and then they also amphibians, some maybe frogs or something, and then some crustaceans. Okay, so if you want to get something from the zoo, then you can buy things here. This is a souvenir shop. So you have the original merchandise like t-shirts, and then you also have bags and some others like the hat and balloon and then keychain and something. Okay, now we come to the orangutan cage. As you can see, that's the one, the big one. Because the weather is very hot today, so some orangutans choose to stay under the inside their cage because it's just too hot outside. He's eating some leaves, and he's from Kalimantan. So finally, we arrive at the elephants. They are free here in the open space. There are two of the elephants. Aparo want to see? You can approach. So there are two. That's one over there. Right. So that's the end of my journey for today with my family. It's been 2 hours here, and it's getting hotter, but we had fun. Bye. See you later. Okay, so now I'm with the silver man representing Oh, he cannot talk. Okay, he can move but he cannot talk. Yeah, so if you come to Kota Old Town, Jakarta Old Town, then you will see him. Alright, so he's representing the Diponegoro Prince.
He's available for taking pictures.
He's also available for taking pictures. Okay,